Hello, my name is Jung. I'm from Korea. I'm CTO in Argosdyne. We are developing drone system and station system. We are working with a YellowScan for mapping drones. I will introduce our drone, which is called AQUILA-2. Its weight is under 4 kg. And in Europe, we can get C2 class because its weight is under 4 kg. With the C2 class, the pilot can easily use our drone without any approval from the government. And our AQUILA-2 can be equipped with YellowScan LiDAR, Ultra Survayor, OEM, and Map Plus OEM. 2 LiDAR we can use it. And our drone with a Survayor LiDAR, its main advantage is that we can get C2 class. With the C2 class, as I said, the pilot can easily fly LiDAR drone in city, urban area, and its flight time is more than 40 minutes. With just one flight, the pilot can survey wide area. Actually, our main application is mapping and civil engineering. Especially, we can use with the LiDAR. We can use in inspection area. Maybe we can detect the crack on the bridge. That is our main application.